Hi, teacher Virgin. Um, in my presentation is Elon Musk. Okay, Elon Musk is a billionaire entrepreneur known for founding and leading several groundbreaking companies. He is the CEO of SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink, and the Boring Company, amongst other multi-renowned for his ambitious vision of the future, particularly when it comes to space exploration and electric vehicles and advanced technologies. Is the his businesses are at the forefront of the innovation as SpaceX of the Intes has revolutionized space travel with reusable rockets, significantly reducing the cost of access to space. Um, Tesla has transformed the automobile industry by making electric cars not just viable but desirable, and is pushing the envelope on sustainable energy solutions. And this is the Neuralink is working on developing in the brain machines interfaces, which could have profound implications for medicine and human capabilities. And this is much influence on the world, and society is enormous is enormous. He is no he is not just a businessman. He is a visionary who has inspired millions and with his ideas about the future. His his work has it's accelerated the adoption of sustainable technology and speaker renowned interest in space exploration. He is know that with enough drive and ingenuity, private companies can achieve what only possible for governments. Um, if I were a millionaire, I like this. I followed somewhat similar path. You send my result to support innovative projects that could improve the world. If I investing in renewable energy, education, health healthcare technology, and the aiming to make a possible impact on as many lives as possible. For is important. Elon Musk is a complex and sometimes controversial figure, but there is no denying the profound impact he has had on our world. His work challenges us to dream bigger and strive for a better future. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share your thoughts on the Elon Musk in the comments below. Finally, Elon Musk is Venus smart is by figure important in the world. Thank you, teacher.